Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make edible rock candy. To begin, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: granulated sugar, water, and your choice of food coloring and flavoring. We'll explore the fascinating science of supersaturation, which is key to growing beautiful crystals. Preparing your workspace properly ensures a smooth and enjoyable candy-making experience from start to finish. The next crucial step is creating your supersaturated sugar solution. Combine 2 cups of water with 4 cups of granulated sugar in a saucepan. Heat this mixture gently, stirring continuously until every sugar crystal has completely dissolved. Once it reaches a boil, remove it from the heat right away. Let this solution cool for approximately 20 minutes before proceeding to the next stage. Now, let's prepare for the magic of crystal growth. Tie a clean cotton string to a pencil or skewer, ensuring it hangs freely. Dip this string into your sugar solution and let it dry completely. This creates tiny seed crystals for better growth. Carefully pour the cooled sugar solution into a clean glass jar. Finally, suspend your string into the jar, making sure it hangs freely without touching the bottom or sides. Patience is key for this final stage. Place your jar in a cool, undisturbed location, allowing the crystals to grow over 1 to 2 weeks. You'll observe the crystals gradually getting larger on the string each day. Once your rock candy reaches the desired size, carefully remove it from the jar. Let your beautiful, edible creation dry completely for several hours before you enjoy your homemade sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.